Hey everybody, this is Tony with Pig Brig. Got another little tip and trick for you. This is just what we're calling a T-post sleeve. And this part was originally designed over 5 years ago as part of the overall assembly, but it just added too much weight to the package. So for those of you at home that are handy, this is super easy. Cut an 8-inch piece of galvanized pipe. It should be 1 5/8 on the inner diameter, and it should be 8 inches long. Then you're simply drilling a hole 2 inches down from the top and using a minimum of a 5/16 eye bolt, if not a 3/8, to make sure that's strong enough when you get a trap full of pigs. And this simply slides over the top of your T-post. Your cam strap simply attaches, and then you just take your net, pull it over the top, do that to all 10 posts, and you're ready to go. So this will save you a little bit of time if you're someone that likes to get things done more efficiently. And thank you for your time for watching. And if you have any questions, reach out to Pig Brig directly, and they can either help you build it or find someone for you that will help guide you assemble these, or you can buy them from someone in our network.